In this video, we're going to be going over fluid pressure. The most important formula in fluid pressure is P is equal to rho times G times H. This is pressure. This is your density of your fluid. And G is your gravity. H is your vertical depth below the surface. What are the things that do not affect pressure? Things that don't matter are the shape of the container, the volume of the container, the width of your container. If you have a weird funnel versus a cylinder, and also the total amount of liquid. And we call this the hydrostatic paradox. The most important thing is depth. When you are deeper, you have a higher pressure. When you are at the same depth, you have the same pressure. If you're higher up, you have a lower pressure. So you're always asking, how far below the surface is this point that I am examining? First, you find the surface, which is going to be a dashed line. Then you're going to compare your vertical depth. And this says vertical. You only want to look at the vertical depth. Ignore the sideways. Distance, and you want to look straight down. And then you're going to rank. The lowest point has the highest pressure, and your same horizontal level has equal pressure. So remember that as long as they are on the same horizontal line, they have the same pressure. When you have pipes and connections, it depends on your depth, not your path. So even if you have different container shapes, as long as your depth is the same, again, your depth is your most important thing, your pressure is going to be the same. So for example, if you have 0.5 liters versus 2.0 liters, as long as you're at the same depth, they have the same pressure. So these are all going to have the same. So for example, a funnel versus a cylinder. And also when you have pipes and connectors, if it's still the same fluid, you use your depth only. You always want to compare to the surface line and not your container bottom.